Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today let's learn how to make this beautiful lake scenery. First, we're gonna start by painting the whole canvas with Viridian hue. Let this be our base coat. Now in the lakeside view, we're gonna have some clouds in the sky. So for this, we'll be applying titanium white in a curvy or circular motion and then just lightly blending them in with the blue sky. Now you can have as many clouds as you like, but maybe don't make it too cloudy if you want a calm, bright day. If you want darker clouds, you can use cobalt blue or Viridian hue. Now since it's daytime or maybe the noon, we want a source of light. So let's use some yellow and just create this tiny source of sunlight, and let's just spread it around and let it mix up with the background colors. If you feel your clouds have dulled a little bit, you can brighten them up by adding white again and doing the same as we did before, blending them just a little. Now we can have some big bushes and trees near the lake. For this, we'll use brown mixed with a touch of black, and let's just dab that on the canvas in the shape of trees. Let's cover a good area of the canvas with these bushes. It creates a good effect. In the lake, you'll have reflections of the trees and sunlight. So let's use yellow and brown and just pull the paint down to create reflections. You can make the bottom of the lake darker by adding more of Viridian hue. Now you can see here I'm just making the water line using a palette knife with some yellow or white paint. Now we can create some green bushes or grass using Viridian and also white. Let's do the same at the back and also on the other side. Now let's add some brown and black to the sides of the canvas to show that the bushes cast some shadows on the lake. Now you can make this grass darker by adding green. Now let's make a huge bush down here by using brown and black. And by using Viridian, let's make the grass. You can use white for the highlight. Now you can make the trees darker, and also you can add more trees by just dabbing the brush on the canvas. Now let's make some highlight on these trees using yellow and just dab that on these trees. Now you can make more details if you want, like adding some shadows to the grass and also to the lake, and also making the waterline more visible. And there you have it. Beautiful lakeside painting. Go put it up on your wall and come back next Sunday. Until then, follow me on other social media. Thank you for watching.